Here's a great deal on a 2009 Volkswagen Rabbit. This two-door, five-passenger hatchback has not yet reached the 100,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter five-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Volkswagen ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Come on in and take a test drive.